On the lift this morning is one of my bikes. It is a 2002 Electra Glide Standard. It has 103,000 miles on it. And I thought I would use this as an example this morning because if you have ever been riding your motorcycle and the engine starts to make noise, it can raise a level of anxiety that is unparalleled. Now you're trying to isolate it. Is it the left side of the engine? Is it the right side of the engine? Is it coming from the bottom end or is it coming from the top end? Is it coming from the rear cylinder or is it coming from the front cylinder? This particular noise on this bike was top end coming from the front cylinder. But I wanted to use this as an example because sometimes it's not the worst case scenario. Sometimes it's just a broken heat shield. Well, I hope that helps someone out. And I hope everyone is having a great day. And as always, ride your bike.